If you've been waiting to buy a PlayStation 5, here's some tough news. Sony just raised the price of every PS5 model in the US by $50. This change took effect August 21st, 2025, so the higher prices are already here. It's a surprising move, especially since consoles usually get cheaper as they age. Just as PS5s became easy to find in stores, Sony's price hike has shifted the challenge from availability to affordability. This isn't a temporary markup or a retailer's decision, it's an official move from Sony. The company cites global economic pressures, not just gaming industry trends, as the reason. With the video game market slowing after years of rapid growth, Sony is betting that its exclusive games and PlayStation ecosystem will keep demand strong. But with consumers more cautious about spending, this is a risky bet. The question now, will gamers accept the new price, or will it slow down PS5 sales? Only time will tell if Sony's gamble pays off. Why the sudden price jump? Two big reasons: a sluggish gaming market and new US tariffs. After the pandemic boom, people are spending less on games, so Sony is protecting its profits by raising hardware prices. At the same time, new tariffs on imports from China and Japan have made it more expensive for Sony to bring PS5s into the US. Rather than absorb these costs, Sony is passing them on to buyers. It's a tough spot. The market is more price sensitive, but production costs are rising. This isn't just a Sony problem. Many tech companies are facing the same squeeze. The old model of selling consoles at a loss and making it up on games is under pressure. The era of stable, predictable console pricing may be over. Here's what the new prices look like. The standard PS5 with a disk drive now costs $549.99, up from $499.99. The all-digital PS5 jumps to $449.99, keeping the $100 gap but raising the entry cost for budget gamers. The high-end PS5 Pro, now a hefty $749.99, making it one of the priciest mass-market consoles ever. The good news, accessories like controllers and headsets aren't affected by this hike, at least for now. So while the console itself is more expensive, adding extras to your setup won't cost more. Still, for many, the higher price makes getting into the PS5 ecosystem a bigger investment. The price hike hits every model, so there's no way around it. Sony isn't alone. This is part of a bigger trend. Earlier this year, Sony raised PS5 prices in Europe, and now the US is following suit. Microsoft has also increased prices for its Xbox Series X and S, plus accessories across major markets. Both companies are reacting to the same global economic pressures: inflation, supply chain issues, and tariffs. The old pattern of consoles getting cheaper over time is breaking down. Now prices are holding steady or even rising as companies focus on staying profitable. For gamers, waiting for a price drop is no longer a sure way to save money. The wait-and-see approach could mean paying more, not less. The industry is maturing, and hardware pricing is reflecting broader tech sector challenges. Gamers are feeling the impact in their wallets. The PS5 price hike, combined with the delay of Grand Theft Auto 6, is casting doubt on the industry's short-term growth. GTA 6 was expected to drive huge console sales this year, but its delay removes a major incentive to buy now. With hardware more expensive and big games postponed, the industry's post-pandemic momentum is slowing. Consumers are more cautious, and a $50 increase could be a deal-breaker for many families. Sony says the price hike is US only for now, and accessories are safe, but the message is clear. Gaming isn't immune to global economics. The days of predictable console cycles and steady price drops are gone. The industry is adapting to a new, more volatile normal. For gamers, that means more uncertainty and higher prices as the future of gaming unfolds.